So there's
Nope. Very well. Hello. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Do we have the teams here? Who's ready? Who's afraid? Very well, guys. In no particular order, let's start this first with the semifinals. We have the final 4 teams that made it. So great that we had so many teams participating. So let's get started with semifinal number 1. Los Genómicos against Hormiguitas. And there is, of course, the code that you need to enter. Same rules apply as last time. There's 12 puzzle questions for each game. Buzz in if you know the answer. You can also buzz in before the answer is completed, and that's an interruption. If you do an interruption and don't have the right answer, that's the only case where you lose points. You lose 5 points. If you answer a toss-up question correctly, you get 10 points, and you get a bonus question, which is only for the team that got the correct toss-up. Whoever has the most points at the end is the winner. You guys ready? Got it. Very well. Then let's get started. Your first toss-up question, short answer. In biology, what is the shortened name for the enzyme ribulose 1,3-bisphosphate carboxylase oxidase? On the interruption, Diego, Rubisco. Rubisco is correct. Now, Your bonus question, short answer. In physics, oh, by the way, these questions should be better than before because now a number of them were provided by your professors. So that one, Luis, como lo ves, now, for your bonus question, short answer in physics. Which of Newton's laws of motion states that for each action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? Yeah, you can talk among yourselves or go ahead and answer.
Repeat one.
Say it again.
The third one.
Third law. That is correct. Very well. Those are question number 2, short answer. Physics again. Which of the following is not a force? Is it A, friction, B, normal, C, weight, or D, mass? Magnolia got it?
Mass.
Mass is correct, right? Of course. That was provided by Dr. Juarez. Thank you. Very well. For your bonus question, which of the following points is closest to the point 1, minus 2? Is it A, 3, minus 5? B, 0, 3? C, 3, 0? Or D, minus 5, minus 5? And that's just. So can we start a timer? Again, it's which is closest to 1, minus 2, and possible answers 3, minus 5, 0, 3, 3, 0, minus 5, minus 5. Have your answer?
C3, 0.
That is correct. Woo! Very well. Also, question number 3 in physics. Short answer. By what factor will the gravitational attraction between two masses be multiplied if the distance between their centers of mass remains the same, but the mass of one doubles?
That was you.
By what factor will the gravitational attraction between two masses be multiplied if the distance between their centers of mass remains the same, but the mass of one doubles? Yes. No. 2 is correct. The bonus question then is physics 2, and this is multiple choice. Which of the following occurs when a glass tube is rubbed with a silk cloth? Is it A, protons are transferred from the silk to the glass tube? B, protons are transferred from the glass tube to the silk? C, electrons are transferred from the silk to the glass tube? Or D, electrons are transferred from the glass tube to the silk? Your answer?
Electrons are passed from the cell to the glass.
Was it one of the options?
I remember what.
That would be incorrect.
Ah.
The correct answer from the audience? Uh-huh.
The electrons come from the. What was the seal?
So, what's that?
Can you repeat?
It's glass and silk.
Yes, from the glass to the silk.
That is correct. So she gets, very well. Toss up question number 4. In biology, short answer. What is the common name for the units in DNA to which phosphates are covalently linked? What is the common name for the units in DNA to which phosphates are covalently linked? Yes, yeah. Nucleotide? Nucleotide is incorrect.
Nitrogenous bases.
That is also incorrect. In the audience, back there. Again, incorrect. Yes. Sugar. Elaborate.
Right.
Carbon sugar is correct. Yes. So nucleotide is a bigger unit that is made of a pentose sugar and a phosphate and a nitrogen. Very well. So no one gets 2 points. Discuss up question number 5 in chemistry. Multiple choice. Which of the following is a substance that is very reactive with the oxygen in air and must be stored underwater or some other substance to keep it from becoming incendiary? Is it A, fullerene, B, white phosphorus, C, calcium fluoride, or D, calcium oxide? Can I see who answer? Yes, Diego, go ahead. D was white phosphorus, and that is correct. Your bonus question in chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the catalyst in the destruction of ozone by chlorofluorocarbons? Is it A, homogeneous, B, heterogeneous, C, enzymatic, or D, autocatalytic? You can discuss. Can you repeat? Yes. Which of the following best describes the catalyst in the destruction of ozone by chlorofluorocarbons? Is it A, homogeneous, B, heterogeneous, C, enzymatic, or D, autocatalytic? This is a bonus we can. It was, the first option was, well, can you repeat the option? Homogeneous, heterogeneous, enzymatic, or autocatalytic? Is it heterogeneous? Heterogeneous is incorrect. Yes. That's also incorrect. One more try. The audience, back there. C, which is enzymatic, that is also incorrect. The correct answer is A, homogeneous. Also, question 6 in physics, multiple choice. Which of the following best describes how and why electrical resistance is related to temperature? Is it A, as temperature increases, resistance decreases because electrons move faster? Is it B, as temperature increases, resistance decreases because electrons are lost from the conductor? Is it C, as temperature increases, resistance increases because protons move faster? Or B, as temperature increases, resistance increases because atoms vibrate more, increasing electron scattering? And I guess it was. B is correct. As temperature increases, resistance more, increasing electron scattering. Can you just out of the way that you're blocking the top line? I don't know what to move. No, it's fine. Don't worry. Very well, guys. Your bonus question. In physics, short answer. A 10-kilogram hay bale is raised to 5 meters above a barn floor and is then lowered to 4 meters below the floor. Relative to its starting position on the floor, what is the final gravitational potential energy of the bale in joules? If G is rounded to the first decimal place. Again, a 10-kilogram hay bale is raised to 5 meters above the barn floor and is then lowered to 4 meters below the floor. Relative to its starting position on the floor, what is the final gravitational potential energy of the bale in joules if G is rounded to the first decimal place?
How much was this?
The mass is 10 kilograms.
Okay,
It starts 5 meters above the barn floor, and then it's lowered 4 meters below the level of the floor.
relative to.
And relative to its starting position, gives in joules, the final gravitational potential energy of the object. 1 joule? 1 joule is incorrect. Anyone else attempting the calculations? This is what it is, right? I'll just give the correct answer. It is 392 joules. minus 392 joules because it's lower, right? Well, it says here, must give negative value. Relative to its initial position, it is negative. Anyways. Toss up 7, short answer, math. Fill in the blank. The derivative of a function can be interpreted as the slope of the blank line at that point. Yes, ma'am. Tangent is correct. Short answer in biology is in animal communities, species with similar resource needs can coexist because of this mechanism. So you can discuss. Could you repeat again? Within animal communities, species with similar resource needs can coexist because of this mechanism. Yeah. He's not here, but this one must already by the That is incorrect. Anyone else? Well, I mean, you guys are playing just later, so. This segregation is correct. Very well. Toss up 8. Biology, short answer. Okay. Biology, short answer. What is the specific type of protein from which spindle fibers are composed? What is the specific type of protein from which spindle fibers are composed? Yeah, you can discuss among yourselves. Alright, what is a specific type of protein from which spindle fibers are composed? One guys, okay?
Tubulin.
Tubulin is correct. Your bonus question, short answer. Name all of the following 4 diseases that are caused by protists. And they are, so out of these 4, which ones? Botulism, rabies, typhoid fever, and toxoplasmosis. Again, botulism, rabies, typhoid fever, and toxoplasmosis. Which of those are caused by protists? The audience knows? You know? No, this bonus. And your answer? This is not one of the math ones.
Botulism and toxoplasmosis.
That is incorrect. Audience? Can you? Yes.
All minus toxoplasmosis. The other thing.
Huh? No, that is also incorrect. Yes.
All except botulism.
No, that is also incorrect. Final. Only toxoplasmosis. Only toxoplasmosis.
Somebody's recovering the crown.
Toss of question number 9. In chemistry. Short answer. What is the most common term for the direct addition of water to an alkene to make alcohol? Okay, let's hands off, everyone. Just put your buzzers up there. Okay, when I finish reading, you can. Huh? Yeah, you start cleaning?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the most common term for the direct addition of water to an alkene to make an alcohol? Yes, ma'am. Hydration is correct. The bonus question in chemistry. Short answer. Under constant temperatures, a sample of gas at a pressure of 120 kilopascals, 100 and what? 120 kilopascals, under constant temperature, is allowed to expand from 2 liters to 8 liters. Calculate the new pressure in kilopascals. Would you repeat the volume, please? Yes. The constant a sample of gas at a pressure of 120 kilopascals is allowed to expand from 2 liters to 8 liters. Calculate the new pressure.
120 kilopascal, right?
It's the initial pressure.
Right?
30 is correct. There you go. Also question 10 in physics. Short answer. Which of the four basic forces of the universe is most directly related to the ability of various metals to be hammered and formed into various shapes? Which of the four basic forces of the universe is most, yes. Fine.
Can I take his place?
Huh? No, he was there. That's it.
You said forces, right?
Yes. That is incorrect. Yes. Which of the four basic forces of the universe is most directly related to the ability of various metals to be hammered and formed into various shapes? And you already goes in, so friction is incorrect. The audience knows. You want to decide? Back there? Gravitational force? No. Anyone else? Yes.
Wait for it.
Not weak force. Do we give more chances? We're gonna, okay,
They're stickers.
okay, one more. No, and that's where we cut it up, because otherwise, electromagnetic. Electromagnetic. Very well, toss up 11. In biology, short answer. Yeah, can you? Short answer. What class of immunoglobulins is most directly responsible for hay fever and common allergies in humans?
Is it your answer or?
No, it's just.
Can you repeat?
What class of immunoglobulin is most directly responsible for hay fever and common allergies in humans? Yes,
Basophils?
that is incorrect. You already busted? No, that is also incorrect. A class of immunoglobulins. Ale. Huh? Type E is correct, immunoglobulin E. Toss up 12 and final for the game. Chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following is not true? A, any foreign substance added to water will cause a freezing point drop. B, a non-volatile solute raises the boiling point of a solvent. C, methane has a higher boiling point than ethane. And D, freezing point depression is a colligative property. Math. Okay. A is not correct. I can read them again. It is required. Which of the following is not true? Any foreign substance added to water will cause a freezing point drop. That's A. B, a non-volatile solute raises the boiling point of a solvent. C, methane has a higher boiling point than ethane. And D, freezing point depression is a colligative property.
What is not true?
Which one is not true?
See?
I mean, that's your answer. C is correct. And your bonus question, multiple choice in biology. Again, for the game. This concept is defined as a hypervolume of variables important for the persistence of a species within a community. Is it A, habitat, B, niche, C, home range, or D, territory?
Can you repeat the
Yes.
question?
It is defined as a hypervolume of variables important for the persistence of a species within a community. This is A, habitat, B, niche, C, home range, or D, territory. This is also Dr. Ramos, by the way.
It's a tricky one.
It's tricky indeed because there's other definitions. No, come on, guys. Okay, one last time and then you have to. Okay. I think it should be, right? But no, let's leave that out. It is defined as a hypervolume of variables. You have it? Okay. And your answer?
The last one.
No.
Home range.
Home range is incorrect. The answer is yes.
Niche.
Niche is correct. And the notes he said proposed by Hutchinson in 1946. Very well. Look at that, guys. We have a die. So when we have a die, it's sudden death. So I will read a toss-up question. The team who gets that question correctly wins the game. For the game, short answer, in biology, what is the function of the hormone melatonin produced by the pineal gland? Yes, yeah,
Melatonin, right?
yes,
It helps to sleep. Well, it regulates the cycle of sleep.
that is correct. Beatles, but close enough. Let's go. Very well, well played, both teams.
It's easier on this side. There was
So it's a theoretical space in multiple dimensions. Or we need to. Sí, 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 porque.
Ah, ¿cómo estaba eso?
Bueno, me reclames que yo no sé.
So we go to the problem hypothesis, honeys.
Es que, o sea, la pregunta.
Are you a registered team member?
No, o sea, no.
Okay, you only have 2 members? Because I'm using registered. Okay, fine. Ya nos ganó.
¿Están muy ready para another one?
Ay, yo no traigo.
You have.
And we can solve puzzle, right?
No, that's true. If you have 3 members here. No, that would be correct. So you can't. Unless they are missing. Okay.
Oh, we already see one. Four.
No. 3 members. I mean, they have, were they missing of a person? I mean, they have 2 people here. Otherwise, you can just bring in whoever. If not, we can come with Oh. But do you think I can? Huh? One has to be later, otherwise everyone's gonna start doing. Anyways, let's get started. Your first toss-up question.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, right, that's right.
Wait. Perdón.
Very well. Your first toss-up question. In chemistry, multiple choice, carbon monoxide or CO will be absorbed onto the surface of which of the following metals the most strongly? Is it A, iron, B, nickel, C, cobalt, or D, gold? Again, carbon monoxide or CO will be absorbed onto the surface of which of the following metals most strongly? A, iron, B, nickel, C, cobalt, and D, gold. Diana busted first.
Nico.
Nickel is incorrect. I can't see who busted. Cobalt is also incorrect.
Iron.
So iron is correct. Okay. Can we try improving the names a little bit higher? So no, that's like the whole window.
Sí, el Mariano no está ahí.
Oh, yeah. Very well, that was it for toss-up 1. Toss-up 2, biology, multiple choice. At which of the following pH levels will human pepsin be most active? Is it A, 2, B, 4, C, 6, or D, 8? Yes. No, you can't answer from. Who?
No, it's Emilio.
Oh, Emilio, yes. I'm still looking behind. 8 is not correct.
4?
You are busted, and 4 is also not correct. Anyone? 2 is correct. Toss up question number 3. In physics, short answer. What constant is given as the amount of electric charge per mole of electrons? What constant is given as the amount of electric charge per mole of electrons?
Recall the number, but I don't know the name.
No, not the name. One last time and it goes to the audience. What constant is given as the amount of electric charge per mole of electrons? Yes, Gary.
No,
There is no
sorry, it was, Gary was in my homework.
Oh.
I just with the.
Okay, so it goes to the audience back there. Paradise constant is correct. Thumbs up question number 4. Chemistry. Multiple choice. The molar is a concentration unit that is most appropriately used in experimental designs that determine A, freezing point depression, B, osmotic pressure, C, density, or D, vapor pressure lowering.
pressure.
Osmotic pressure is incorrect.
Vapor pressure level.
Vapor pressure lowering is also incorrect. In the audience, what is molarity good for? It's a concentration measure, of course. And the correct answer is freezing point depression. Very well. Toss up 5. In biology, multiple choice. We had some good bonuses there. In biology, multiple choice. Which of the following is the main target of bacteria by the antibiotic penicillin? Is it A, energy production, B, DNA synthesis, C, cell wall synthesis, or D, translation? Yes. Energy production, A. B, DNA synthesis, C, cell wall synthesis, or D, translation?
No.
Yes.
So
Next.
synthesis.
Cell wall synthesis is correct. Very well. Your bonus question in biology, short answers. What is the most common term for the form of protection when a non-poisonous frog has the same appearance as a poisonous frog? It has to be the full name. You can discuss amongst yourselves.
Again, can you finish?
What is the most common term for the form of protection when a non-poisonous frog has the same appearance of a poisonous frog? Muchas gracias.
I don't know, camouflage?
Camouflage is not correct. Anyone in the audience? Yes. Okay, that's more, no, it's one or the other. Can you be more specific? What kind of mimicry is what I'm asking? I mean, it is correct, but. Yes. Huh? No. But mimicry would have been correct. No se sabe. Toss up number 6, short answer in biology. What is the name given to the limit imposed on the growth of a
Clear buzzers.
Yeah, you might have to turn it. Yeah. Ready? Yes. Again, in biology, short answer. What is the name given to the limit imposed on the growth of a population that results from limitations in the availability of resources in the environment? What is the name given to the limit imposed on the growth of a population that results from limitations in the availability of resources in the environment?
No, yeah. Here it goes.
No, ya digo. Si nos equivocamos, pues no pasa nada.
Okay, last chance. And it goes to the audience. 3, 2. Okay, and the audience says yes. Carrying capacity is correct. Very well. Those are question 7, short answer. In biology, what biological phenomenon occurs when the heritable characteristics of groups of organisms change over time? What biological phenomenon occurs when the heritable characteristics of groups of organisms change over time? Emily? Mutation is not correct. Phenotypic plasticity is not correct. You're killing me, guys. Yes. Evolution. Because it's heritable characteristics. Toss up 8. Chemistry. Short answer. What is the electron capacity in each of the 4 sublevels S, P, D, and F, respectively? Emilio.
2, 6, 10, and 14.
That is correct. Vamos! Very well. The bonus question, multiple choice. In physics, which of the following is not a vector? Is it A, speed, B, velocity, C, Position or D, acceleration?
Position.
What is it? I don't have the answer here. Then what does the audience say?
Which one is not?
Yes. Huh? Speed.
I had it.
Very well. Toss up 9 in biology. Short answer.
No, es que.
Short answer. What cell in the peripheral blood is the immediate precursor of a macrophage? Emilio. Monocyte. Monocyte is correct. Your bonus question in biology.
Points. Yeah, the points, of course.
Now they got 2 toss-ups already.
Es que se está esperando.
Okay. Biology, short answer. Name all of the following 4 cells that are leukocytes. And they are neutrophil, basophil, melanocytes. There's actually only 3. Anyway, of the following 3, which ones are leukocytes? Neutrophil, basophil, melanocyte. That is correct. Very well, toss-up question number 10. In physics, short answer. As opposed to a spontaneous emission, what is the type of emission first theorized by Albert Einstein, where a photon interacts with an atom's electron, which, when it returns to a ground state, emits a coherent photon? Yeah, can you repeat? Spontaneous emission. What is the type of emission first theorized by Albert Einstein, where a photon interacts with an atom's electron, which, when it returns to a ground state, emits a coherent photon? Don't come on. Yeah.
Light.
Light is incorrect. It's a type of emission.
I thought.
Radioactive.
Radioactive is not correct. There's any other answer. It's not correct either, but it's a phenomenon.
I
Yes.
would have taken it.
We can consider that as correct, but anyone else want to try? Tú, Juan, tú puedes.
Sí, tú sabes.
We need stimulated emission. Yes.
Stimulated, ¿no?
Stimulated emission. Well, those of 11, short answer, math. State the name of this theorem. The area of the square whose side is the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the areas of the squares on the other 2 sides. Emilio. That is correct. For your bonus question, short answer in biology. What phylum does a sea urchin belong to? You can discuss. What phylum does a sea urchin belong to? Okay, phylum is correct. Also, question number 12. Chemistry, multiple choice. A lead chromate solution is typically of what color? Is it A, blue, B, red, C, yellow, or D, green? Yeah,
Green?
green is incorrect. A lead chromate solution is typically what color? A, blue, B, red, C, yellow, or D, green? Yellow is correct. Final question of the game, the bonus question in chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following molecules exhibits a dipole moment? CH4, methane, that's A. B, hydrogen sulfide, or H2S. C, carbon dioxide, CO2. Or D, sulfur trioxide, SO3. And your answer? H2S. H2S is correct. And thank you both team for your efforts. Los Guelfos make it to the final. So, now we need the other finalists team. We need us.
Oh, we need to make the vote.
While we're waiting for Fer, let's move the tables a little bit forward. So we're not in the beat. Good. I think most of the questions are the professors from the final. Very well, now we're finalists. Then, that's right. We're finalists last time also. Let's see if we can. Very well. Let's get started. Toss up question 1, multiple choice. In biology, which of the following does a sperm not travel through? Is it A, ureter, B, urethra, C, vas deferens, or D, epididymis? So Diego,
Well, I had it, but could you repeat the, well, it's,
urethra, urethra, vas deferens, epididymis.
sí,
C is incorrect. And who buzzed in after you? Emilio. Urethra is correct. Your bonus question in chemistry. Short answer. What is the common name for the amino acid having the side chain of methyl, CH3? What is the common name of the amino acid having the side chain of methyl, CH3? I'll read one more time and it goes to the audience. What is the common name for the amino acid having the side chain of methyl or CH3? Yes. Alanine is correct. Now, toss-up question number 2. What is the result of dividing 0 by 0? That's your answer, and Mariano? Number 5. That is correct. For your bonus question, multiple choice. When ice skaters spin with their arms open, their spin slows. However, when they close their arms against their chest, they spin faster. Name the physical principle behind this phenomenon. Is it A, conservation of force? B, conservation of rotational force? C, conservation of linear momentum? Or D, conservation of angular momentum? That's your answer.
Conservation.
That is correct, right? Yes. Very well. Toss-up question number 3. In chemistry, multiple choice. When dissociated in water, which of the following acids has its dissociation equilibrium shifted farthest to the right? Is it A? I don't know the name of this. Well, I'll just say that as a possibility. HClO, B, HClO2, C, HClO3, or D, HClO4. Very well. Diego? A is not correct. And the video is already buzzed in. HClO4. That is correct. Short answer in chemistry for your bonus question. Arrange the following 4 bonds in order of decreasing polarity. And so I'll just tell you. First one is bromine, bromine. Second one, potassium, bromine. Third one, potassium, chlorine. And fourth one, lithium, fluoride. And it's in order of decreasing polarity of the bonds. Yes,
In order, the way.
of decreasing polarity.
Yes.
Most polar to least polar, most polar to least polar, decreasing polarity.
Bromine, potassium bromine, bromine chlorine, lithium fluoride.
That is incorrect. The other way around. You were right, but it's decreasing polarity. Thus of question number 4, multiple choice in biology. At what stage of the development the embryo is implanted in the uterus of mammals? Is it A, zygote, B, morula, C, vascular, D, gastrula? Yes, Pepe. Gastrula is correct. Bonus question in chemistry. Short answer. A particular reaction doubles in rate when the temperature is raised from 50 kelvins to 100 kelvins. Yes. Short answer in chemistry, a particular reaction doubles in rate when the temperature is raised from 50 kelvins to 100 kelvins. To the nearest 100 joules, what is the activation energy of this reaction? The reaction doubles in rate when it goes from 50 kelvins to 100 kelvins.
You can use the calculator, but I'm gonna be behind. It doubles the rate.
It doubles in rate when it goes from 50 to 100 kelvin. What is the activation energy? Rounded in, or to the nearest 100 in joules. Do you guys know that? No guess? 5,000 is not correct. Anyone correct? Okay. There's no chemist here, so, or no chemistry. According to this, I agree with it.
No, never mind.
600. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you. Lots of question. Those are 5. The sum of the internal angles of any triangle, this is in math, short answer. Oh, on the interruption. Emilio. 180. Degrees is correct.
No, imagine if the question had said in one of the internal ones is 60.
Okay, then for the bonus question, also in math, short answer. Complete the sentence. The limit of f to the x equals 1 divided by x. Am I reading this correctly? Fx equals 1 divided by x. When x approaches 0.
So the function is 1 over x?
Yes. The limit of 1 over x.
So
when
what
x
is the
approaches 0.
Ah, ya sé lo que se suma. No, that's it.
What's the?
What's the reason?
Yeah.
I mean, do you want those two answers kind of? Because I mean, you do like definition. I have one, so I don't know.
Let him elaborate.
The judges are here. I mean,
Because I mean, if you do by definition, we can define because one is 1/0. But do you want to elaborate? Do you want to approach a limit by another variable, like another tangent, another
it
curve?
says,
I mean, how do we want to? I'm right.
but you're referring to the other, like,
You have the idea.
Yeah,
It's
so-
it's not a particular limit. I'm not asking you from the right or from the left, or from the left, the total limit. What happens? We're kind of on the right.
what's that? Infinity is not correct. Yes. The audience, yes,
Limit does
it does not exist. Very well, that's question number 6. What are the two clades, oh, this is in biology short answer. What are the two clades in which dinosaurs are classified based on the structure of their hip bones? What are the two clades in which dinosaurs are traditionally classified based on the structure of their hip bones?
Almost like cheap.
No. This is a toss-up, yes, so, if my,
Dirt, where models simply.
then that's not correct. I'll read it one more time. And goes to the audience. What are the two clades in which dinosaurs are classified based on the structure of their hip bones?
Of the.
Hip bones. Hip. It goes to the audience, yes?
Ornito.
Sabriskia or Ornotisquia?
Sabiskia Ornotisquia is correct. Okay. Very well. Also, question number 7 in physics, short answer. Complete the sentence. A region of space-time where the gravitational effects are so intense that not even light can escape is called? Emilio.
A black hole.
Black hole is correct. Dr. Wright pretty much said it word for word in the top. Your bonus question in chemistry. Short answer. Arrange the following 4 diatomic molecules in order of increasing bond length. And they are N2, Cl2, F2, and O2. And again, this is in order of increasing bond length.
Menos a más.
Sí, lo sé.
What was going on? Oh. Entonces, técnicamente, además,
Exacto, porque. But is that for the shortest one to the biggest one, right?
Correct.
So it will be, yeah.
And your answer,
Chlorine, chlorine, oxygen, nitrogen.
that is incorrect.
Zero nitrogen.
Anyone want to give it a try? Or was anyone going to one guy? Okay, the correct answer is nitrogen, followed by oxygen, followed by fluorine, followed by chlorine. Toss up question number 8, short answer. In biology, name the sac-like blind pouch of the large intestine situated below the level of the junction of the small intestine into the side of the large intestine. At the lower portion of this pouch, one finds the appendix. And now, of course, repeat it. Name the sac-like blind pouch of the large intestine situated below the level of the junction of the small intestine into the side of the large intestine. At the lower portion of this pouch, one finds the appendix. Wait, was it clear before?
Yes.
Okay. So Diego is.
No, but it didn't bust.
Uh,
I mean,
Yeah, you did it, but it's when.
is it basically?
That is incorrect. You guys, anyone Boston? You're really Boston. Yes. Duodenum is also incorrect. No, you haven't touched it before. Cecum is correct. So question number 9 in biology. Multiple choice. Of the following, name the mechanism of speciation in which a population is split by a barrier, creating through time two species. This is A, allopatric speciation, B, parapatric speciation, C, sympatric speciation. On the interruption,
Allopathy?
Maya, allopatric is correct. The bonus question in chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following compounds is the product of ozonolysis of ethylene followed by a reductive workup? Okay. Is it A, methanol, B, ethanol, C, formaldehyde, or D, acetone? So you can consult among yourselves. Again, which of the following compounds is the product of ozonolysis of ethylene followed by a reductive workup? Is it A, methanol, B, ethanol, C, formaldehyde, or D, acetone?
Ethanol?
Ethanol is incorrect. Anyone in the audience? Yes. Acetone? Acetone is also incorrect. Anyone else want to give it a try? Yes.
Is it methanol?
No, it was formaldehyde. Okay, well, that's of question number 10. Multiple choice. In ruminants, oh, this is by the way biology. In ruminants, this chamber is considered the true stomach and not a fermentation chamber. Is it A, the rumen, B, the reticulum, C, the omasum, or D, the abomasum? In ruminants, this chamber is considered the true stomach and not a fermentation chamber. The stomach and not a fermentation chamber. Is it A, the rumen, B, the reticulum, C, the omasum, or D, the abomasum? Yes. Yes. That is incorrect. Yes. That is also incorrect. So, yes. Abomasum is correct, yes, or abomasum. Also, question 11. In chemistry, short answer. A chemist knows that when graphing one, a chemist knows that when graphing 1 over the concentration of a reactant in a reaction versus time, she gets a linear fit. This implies that the reaction is what order? Yes, Maria.
Is it first order?
That is incorrect.
Second order?
Yes, a chemist notes that when graphing 1 over the concentration of a reactant in a reaction versus time, she gets a linear fit. This implies that the reaction is what order? Huh? Second order is correct. Your bonus question. Chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following ions has a noble gas electron configuration? Is it A, yttrium 3+, chromium 3+, palladium 2+, or titanium 2+? Again, it's which of the following ions has a noble gas electron configuration? Yttrium 3+, chromium 3+, palladium 2+, or titanium 2+.
The first one?
The first one is yttrium 3+, and that is correct. Very well. Also, question number 12 and last. Short answer in physics. The density of water in kilograms by meter cubed is. That's it. In kilograms by meter cubed. You can consult with one another, guys. Neither do you. Guys, seriously, this is a tough question, so. Yes, Emilio. 0.01. 0.01 is incorrect. Uh-huh. Mariana. And your answer, guys, anyone want to give it a chance?
One point, A.
One is also incorrect. Yes?
0.001.
That is also incorrect. You have other, yes? 1,000, yes. And that's it. Game is over. Congratulations, guys. And to all you guys, well played. Runner-ups, good job. No, no, not yet.
Me regalan una foto.
No, we're gonna move this out of the way. And I need to.
Emilio, Emilio. ¿Se puede poner?
Oh, yeah, we need to line up the prices. So we'll need a minute to arrange everything. We're gonna move the
Así
tables.
como que ganaron.
Sí, representante.
Listo, gracias.
Nice, nice. Let's actually, because I have the pricing right here. Oh, that's right, and I need to the percentages. So we're going to continue with the closing ceremony, but just give us a few minutes to get everything set up. Let's say about 10 minutes or so. Sorry. In a minute.
Sí, güey, están las maquinitas, güey. Solo la primera, pero dije, todas las encontradas hacer los
Over there, so you
We need to get a box. Maybe someone else can do it.
Es que, güey, en esos casos, pinche posición, lo que te haces es que
También, o sea, pero no sé.
¿A qué hora salía? ¿Qué te les digo que salía? ¿Quién fue encargado de eso? Ah, ok. No, es porque tienen que apuntarlo, pues.
Me dijo que iba a venir para hacer- no sé si ya se puede. Yes, so there's a box with a bunch of bags.
It's gonna be digital, and also we didn't know who was going.
Not for committee.
Oh, no, those don't even exist.
Okay.
Digital.
Unless you want them printed.
After, but it won't be. Yeah, of course.
Bueno, nada más.
Remaining.
Tres en silencio. El rabo.
Es que tenemos un patrocinador. Perfecto. ¿Tienes que hacer esto?
No, se lo voy a pasar para.